Phoenix, I'm 9. Today we're going to be making chocolate self-saucing pudding in a mug, which is really easy, really quick, and absolutely delicious. And it only needs 6 ingredients.
For the chocolate pudding, you'll need 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of caster sugar, 1/4 cup of self-raising flour, 2 tablespoons of milk, a tablespoon of melted butter or 14 grams, and for the sauce you'll need 1 tablespoon of brown sugar and 1/3 cup of boiling water and 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder.
Make sure to have a really big mug, just like this size, not small. Mine has my name on it, and so I'm just going to add my milk and butter. Now I'm just going to add the rest of my batter ingredients and give it a really good stir. You don't even need to just put it in little containers like this. You can just grab it out of the carton or box. Just going to add my chips and the cocoa. And give it a really good stir. That's good. Once it's all stirred in, just scrape down the sides like there and there so that you don't get any burnt or crunchy bits on the side, and just flatten it out all the way to the edge to make it yummy. And now it's ready for our sauce. Now I'm just going to add my sauce ingredients, so just place it in, sprinkle it just there, get it all out, and just smooth it out all over the top. And then just flip it over and pour your 1/3 cup of boiling water down. Do it slowly so you don't make a big hole in the batter. Then put it in the microwave for 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes. So mine took about 1.5 minutes in my microwave. It smells absolutely delicious. And I'm just going to add a scoop of ice cream in. And get another spoon to just get it out. And just wait a minute or so to eat it because it's very hot. Now I'm just going to have a taste. Oh, look at that sauce. That's delicious. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I'd also appreciate it if you could share it with friends and family.